Hello monitoring spirits, welcome back to another video. This is the first video in a series I'm starting called Yao Life. It's inspired by things I see happening in Jamaica. I see this happen all the time in Jamaica. Men pour their hard-earned money into fixing up a woman's house, adding rooms, or making it comfortable, thinking they're securing a future. But when the relationship ends, they're left with nothing. One case stands out. A man spent years upgrading his partner's home, and as he got older and retired, he couldn't contribute as much. The woman then told him to leave, and when he resisted, her grown children threw him out. When he called the police for help, they told him there was nothing they could do, as he had no legal claim to the property. Now this elderly man lives under a tree, while she enjoys the house with a younger partner, living in the comfort he worked for. The lesson here? Secure your future. If you're investing in a home, make sure you have legal rights to it. Get your name on the title or have a written agreement that protects your contributions. Relationships can change, but protecting yourself ensures that your sacrifices don't leave you out in the cold.